Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wira Fatansia and I am here to present project one video presentation insert computer and hardware. Let's go straight to the video. Insert computer. Definition of computer. A computer is an electronic device used to process data into information. A computer consists of a various components that work together. Okay, in modern life, computers are used almost everywhere, from school and office to homes and business. Many people use computer every day, but not everyone understand what components are inside them. This presentation will explain the important internal parts of a computer and their functions in supporting the whole system. Functions a computer. Main functions of a computer: 1. Processing data, 2. Storing data, 3. Displaying information, and helping human activities. Motherboard. The motherboard is the main board where all computer components are connected. Functions connecting all components, data communication pathway, place for hardware installation. Processor, CPU. The CPU is called the brain of the computer. Functions: processing data, running instruction, controlling computer operation. Types of processor. Some type of processor: Intel Core i3, Intel Core i5, Intel Core i7, and AMD Ryzen. RAM. RAM is temporary memory used while the computer is running. Functions: storing temporary data, speeding up processing, and supporting multitasking. Hard disk and SSD. Hard disk and SSD are storage devices used to save data permanently. Functions: storing file, saving application, keeping the operation. Power supply. The power supply provides electricity to all computer components. Function: delivering power, stabilizing electricity, and protecting hardware. VGA, GPU. The GPU process graphic and visual display. Functions: display image, supporting games, and assisting video editing. Cooling fan. A cooling fan keeps the computer temperature stable. Functions: preventing overheating, maintaining performance, and cooling the processor. Sound card. The sound card processes audio in the computer functions, producing sounds, supporting speaker and headset, improving audio quality. BIOS. BIOS is the basic system that starts when the computer is turned on. Functions: checking hardware, starting the boot process, and managing basic settings. Conclusion: all internal computer components have different functions but work together as one system. These parts are important for the computer to operate properly and efficiently. Cables and connection. Cables connects all computer components together. Example SATA cable, HDMI cable, power cable. One, two. And from here we go straight into the hardware material. Hardware. Understanding computer. Hardware is the physical component of a computer that can be seen and touched directly. Hardware works together with software to help computer perform tasks such as processing data, storing file, and displaying information. Every computer system depends on hardware to function properly. Definition of hardware. What is hardware? Hardware refers to all physical devices inside and outside a computer system. Examples include the keyboard, monitor, mouse, processor, and storage device. Hardware is important because it allows users to interact with computer and help system run efficiently. Input device. Input device are hardware used to enter data and instructions into a computer. Test device help user communicate with the computer system easily. Common examples include keyboards, mic, scanners, microphone, and webcam. Output device. Output device are hardware that display the result of processed data from a computer. These devices help user retrieve information visually or through sound. Examples of output device include monitor, printer, speaker, and project. Central Processing Unit. The CPU is often called the brain of the computer because it processes instructions and controls all activities, manages tasks, and help other hardware components work together properly. Random Access Memory. Random Access Memory RAM. RAM is temporary memory used to store data while programs are running. It helps the computer access information quickly and improves multitasking performance. Computers with large RAM capacity usually run applications faster and more smoothly. Storage device. Storage devices are used to save data permanently or temporarily. Examples include hard disk drive (HDD), solid-state drive (SSD), flash drive, and memory cards. Storage devices are essential because they keep files, applications, and operating systems safe. Motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board that connects all computer hardware components together. It allows communication between the CPU, RAM storage device, and other parts of the computer system. Without the motherboard, hardware cannot work properly. Graphic card and cooling system. GPU and cooling system. The graphic processing unit GPU processing graphic videos and visual effects. Meanwhile, the cooling system help reduce heat generated during computer operation. These components are important for maintaining good performance and preventing overheating. Conclusion. Hardware is an important part of every computer system because it helps computer process, store, and display information. Each hardware component has a specific role that supports the overall operation of the computer. Understanding hardware helps users learn more about how technology works in everyday life. I think that's enough. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.